Hey, what's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a really quick analysis on Webull, ticker symbol BULL. And here's why. Because as when this first came out and IPO'd, it whipped as high as $80, right? And had a massive sell-off. But as you can see, we are in 5 waves down, and we blew through this diagonal support. And we're going into a time count tomorrow. We're on day 6. Tomorrow will be the 7th day. And they just announced that they're going to exercise warrants on June 30th, or they're able to exercise warrants on June 30th as at an exercise price of $10. So you can see we're currently trading at 10.43. So there's a lot of things that I kind of like about this chart. Obviously, the oversold nature, the 5-wave impulse down. You had this first impulse down, built this bearish consolidation. Then you went down, built another bearish consolidation or bear flag, then went down, and here we are. So I think, and I'm going to stretch this out a little bit more, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tomorrow will be the 7th day. You have this pivot low here at about 960. So I think there's a good chance it could whip through this, take out these stops, and then ultimately put in probably a bottoming tail or some type of doji, and then get some follow through for at least a move back to I think this high. So I'd play it, something like it might do something like this, come back down, maybe a double bottom, and then this, or let's do that. Or doesn't have to hit double bottom. It can come back and do something like this, especially if it puts in a bottoming tail. Either way, I do think we're getting a retrace to this diagonal support line and possibly even a push through it. I mean, based on these big green buy volumes, and you just had this one massive red that pushed us through this diagonal support, with RSI being as low as it is, with the warrants able to be exercised at a strike price of $10, that puts a really good base around this level. So I think there's a really nice risk reward for playing Webull anywhere in this range right here. I'll be personally doing that. And again, this is not meant as financial advice, but rather as educational and informational advice only. And these are just my trading strategies. I advise you to use your own caution, take your own risks, and make your own assessments as it relates to these kind of trade setups. So again, I do think Webull is coming into a nice area of support. I like the down movement, and I think this is good. Let's just actually look at it from a risk rewards ratio real quick. Let's just quickly do this real quick, and say you were to enter here, stop wherever you really feel comfortable. I mean, there's no price action back in this range, so you want a minimum 2R, but we're going to get more than that on this. So say you put your stop just under 8, and you put this here. Well, that's a risk reward of just over 1. So I make my stop a little bit tighter. That way you can get a 2R on this. So it's maybe something like this. Put a really tight stop on it, and I think you're good. So again, I think this presents a really nice opportunity in the coming days, possibly as early as tomorrow. Or, if it puts in a really nice bottoming tail, you could always wait for the retraces. There are a lot of different ways to play this. Again, no financial advice will be given on this channel, mainly only given for educational purposes. But I do hope you find value in this technical analysis, and tune in for many more technical analysis videos like this as I see opportunities present themselves in the market. I'm going to bring them to you, so make sure you subscribe. Tick that bell and show your love by liking the channel, sharing it with your friends. It's a new channel, but I think along the way you're going to see a lot of value in my analysis, and we're all going to make a lot of money along the way. So until next time, thanks guys. Appreciate you. Bye now.